mocha. Original and dark. Yeah. How many is that? Not too many. 4 of these.
8 and 5 of these.
Don't want that many Jordan mugs.
Yeah, but I like dark chocolate, not.
Is it an instant win?
No. Just a chance that you'll win.
Yeah, instant.
We're doing burger again. And today we received our second Jordan mug. It sounds like it has a bell inside, but it doesn't. It's just a glass. Yeah. Let's start opening it. Let's see, gotta open the thing.
Shall I open it?
There's sticker tape. There's sticker tape on the other side. Finally. So first we got our nice, I think we got the love heart one. But anyway, we got our nice letter that says have a break, have a Kit Kat, and it's a note. So I think we've got the love heart one because finally. So it is a love heart one. I don't know if the handle's broken or not. It kind of sounds like it is. Sounds like the handle's broken. It's broken.
Jordan mug.
It sounded like it was broken.
Put it back together then. Let's see what it would have looked like.
Great.
Useless Kit Kat. Sending broken mugs as prizes.
That's why this was forward. I thought that was cardboard piece, but it sounded like it was broken. Can do it back there.
Win a Kit Kat broken mug. Jordan mug. It's a dead Jordan mug.
Well, last one was a.
Do you like it, Liza?
Yeah.
You want to drink from it?
No.
Why?
It is fake. It's fake.
It's fake. It's a fake Jordan mug.
Yeah, fake bug. What is it
So we glue it back together. You got all the pieces.
I don't think we will. That one probably goes there. And this one.
It's a Jordan mug puzzle.
Yeah, we want a puzzle.
Oops.
Dad, let me do it. I'm the expert.
Jordan mug puzzle.
It's a good puzzle.
Nothing can drink from it.
All the details filled. Where does this piece go? I've got on the back. Look, it goes. Look, it's got sticker tape in the back. Oh, it's sticker tape.
You want the box? What about that box, the red one?
The 2 box.
Yeah.
There's a small triangle missing. I think we need to close it and put it somewhere. So that's the best I can do.
Now, you want a hot drink in it?
Look at that. Look. Just drinking some glass. There's the other piece. That one goes.
Well, they do say, have a break. Have a break, have a Kit Kat. Well, we got a break.
And a lot of Kit Kats.
Yeah.
So we got a break, just not a good one.
Yeah, have a break in Jordan mug.
I can't close it. That's our Jordan mug. Look at that. The back is broken. It's yours. Your box. I want the box. No, I want the box. No, I want the box. Don't break the glass.
Ready?
No, you didn't. It's absolutely fine. But you put that. Look how good it is. How do I put it back together? That.
Joe the broken mug.
I'm closing it for box. Not yours. I'm going on the table. Ta-da! This is our Jordan mug. wires are broken. Two places.
I can sit it on the box.
I was thinking, why would it have a bell inside? And then when we opened the box, I thought that front
You thought there was a bell inside?
No, I was thinking, why wouldn't there be a bell inside? And then when we opened the box, I thought this piece was a bit of cardboard. And then when I had it resting, I thought that the handle was broken. And then we opened it and the whole thing was broken. And the handle was absolutely fine.
So there's no point in winning everything. There's 50% chance they're going to arrive broken.